Hi, and thank you for tuning into this tech tour. My name is Sabrina from the IgnitED Labs at Mary Lou Fulton Teachers College, and this video will focus on LEGO Mindstorms Ev3. First, we'll go over LEGO education as a whole. After that, we'll look at the specifics of LEGO Mindstorms Ev3, which means building and coding our creation. LEGO education takes the Legos that so many people enjoyed as a child and offers opportunities and products that can create an engaging STEM-focused environment. Their site offers classroom-specific plans and resources as well as the showcasing of their LEGO education sets. One of those sets, and the focus of this video, is LEGO Mindstorms Ev3, the most advanced of the sets available. This set has a target audience of grades 9 through 12, but can definitely be applied to post-secondary classrooms as well. It offers software that utilizes both visual coding and Python as means to control the creations that are built. The set comes with pieces of various shapes and functions. There are regular Legos in the kit, but there are also pieces that have technology integrated into them to perform specific tasks. The intelligent brick, for example, is a small computer that is the source of any design. There are then several motors that respond to movement, sound, touch, and color. These pieces are pieced together in a variety of designs. This is the design that we'll talk about in this video, the robotic arm. Before we get started, there are two terms to be familiar with. First, coding. This is the act of putting together commands that allow intercommunication between computers and humans. By writing lines of code, we tell the computer what to do. Our second term, artificial intelligence, is an umbrella term for technology that is able to take in data and make decisions. By taking in information from its various sensors and acting accordingly, Mindstorms fits the term artificial intelligence. Here, I will be assembling the robotic arm design. To do this, I downloaded and opened the LEGO Mindstorms Ev3 software onto my laptop. From Model Core Set, I chose the design that I was ready to assemble and got started. Here you can see how the software uses colorful diagrams to help the user construct the design in a step-by-step manner. Here's what that build looked like. Although designs like this one are available to build through the LEGO apps, the option to build one's own creation from scratch is also feasible. All of these creations should consider what Mary Lou Fulton Teachers College calls principled innovation. Simply put, principled innovation asks, is this the most creative solution to the problem at hand, and will that solution have a positive effect on the people around it? It includes 4 character assets at its core. One of those character assets, intellectual character, emphasizes informed learning for critical thinking for positive change. Creations that are built from scratch should take this concept into consideration to ensure that what is built is both creative and useful. That could also include considering all of the motor's functions before building, or trying multiple prototypes to ensure the solution at hand is the best option. It might also look like thoughtfully and intentionally writing code that performs a specific and necessary task. Whether this is in regards to a class project or exploring what the sensors and motors can do, principled innovation should always be considered. Once the design is fully constructed, we can get to coding. Using the same software that I downloaded to build my design, I can now code. Note that Mindstorms is the most advanced of the LEGO sets, and although the software can be a bit intimidating for a beginner, there are also some helpful apps for use. In the LEGO Education Mindstorms Ev3 app, which I downloaded onto an iPad, users can find helpful tutorials and descriptions that can be useful at home or in the classroom. It also gives sample code to get you started, plus videos to see what that code should result in. For our robotic arm creation, I used the visual coding option to task the computer with waiting, reaching down, closing the arm, and coming back up. This is just one very simple function that this robotic arm can complete. There are several resources online if users want to do something more complex with their creation. As stated before, advanced users can also type their code using Python. Here's what it looks like when I run my code. To wrap up, LEGO Education's Mindstorms Ev3, or Mindstorms, is an educational take on regular Legos that includes several different motors and sensors. It uses coding to control these motors and sensors, which make up a variety of robotic designs. As such, this technology is considered artificial intelligence and is the most advanced of LEGO Education's products. To learn more, visit education.lego.com. Thank you very much for joining me for this tech tour. Again, my name is Sabrina from the IgnitED Labs at Mary Lou Fulton Teachers College. You can find more resources about Mindstorms and a variety of other educational technology at ignitedlabs.education.asu.edu. You can also stop by any of our 3 physical locations at Arizona State's Tempe, Polytechnic, or West campuses.